So this is the new Traxtion Rail Services Hub. We've taken the project to the end of phase 3 of 8 phases, 68 million rand investment. Total planned investment ultimately will be 130 million rand. We commissioned the facility finally on the 21st of December, just before the contractors shut down over the December period. And we have now officially moved out of our Randfontein facilities into these new workshops. The future phases of expansion we'll look at as and when the market demands it, but at the moment we have capacity to work on 15 locomotives at any time under refurbishment concurrently, which is a lot of capacity, and we don't see a requirement for any more than that for the meantime. We have had the first locomotive that's come out of the workshop already. We're refurbishing 12 of our own fleet at the moment. You'll see a lot of those locomotives behind us already on the lines. All of the parts are in for them in our stores, so those locomotives will be out of the workshop pretty quickly. Behind us, you'll see the next lines that we're going to install. All of the materials are in for the installation of those lines, so those will be done in the next few weeks. And then by that stage, we'll have 5 operating lines in the workshop, which will be really exciting.